Dog-related proverbs in English. Hello everyone, welcome to Mega Easy English. Today we are going to learn something super fun and very useful. Dog-related proverbs in English. Do you like dogs? Do you like learning cool English expressions? Then this video is perfect for you. By the end of the video, you will understand popular English proverbs, their meanings, and how to use them in real life. Ready, steady, go! Part 1. Most common dog proverbs. Proverb 1. Every dog has its day, meaning everyone will have a moment of success. Example, maybe today you failed, but tomorrow you will win. Fun tip, never give up. Your day will come. Proverb 2. Let sleeping dog lie. Meaning, don't restart old problems. Example, if two friends have already made peace, don't talk about the fight again. Do you want a good advice? A perfect life is a life with no problems. Proverb 3. Barking dogs seldom bite. Meaning, people who talk a lot are often not dangerous. Example, someone says, I will beat you, and then does nothing. Lesson, don't be afraid of loud talkers. Proverb 4. You can teach an old dog new tricks. Meaning, it's hard to change habits, especially when people are older. Example, your grandpa doesn't like smartphones. It's okay, change is hard sometimes. Proverb number 5. A dog is a man's best friend. Meaning, a dog is loyal and loving. Example, your dog always waits for you at home. In fact, dogs are our true friends. Part 2. Behavior and character. Proverb 1. Every dog returns to its vomit. Meaning, people repeat their mistakes. Example, you say, I will no longer eat junk food, and then you do it again. Lesson, learn from your mistakes. Proverb 2. The tail wagging the dog. Meaning, a small part controls everything. Example, a child controls the whole family decision. That's not fair and quite unusual. Proverb 3. Dog eat dog world. Meaning, a very tough and competitive world. Example, people fight for jobs or success. My advice, stay strong and kind. Proverb 4. Dirty dogs. Meaning, a dishonest or very bad person. Example, someone cheats in a game. My advice, get away from this kind of person as soon as possible. Part 3. Value, reward, and opportunity. Proverb 1. Dog in the manger. Meaning, someone stop others from using something they don't need. Example, you don't play with the toy, but you don't let others play with it. my advice, share the things you don't need with other people. Proverb 2. Lucky dog. Someone who is very lucky. Example, you win a prize. Wow! You're a lucky dog! Congratulations! Proverb 3. A dog with two bones. Meaning, someone who is unable to make a choice. Burger or pizza? I don't know. So hard to choose. Proverb 4. Throw someone a bone, meaning to give a very small reward. Example, you've worked very hard for a project and you've succeeded, but your boss gives you only a small bonus. You're a bit deceived, but it's better than nothing. Part 4. Useful expressions. Proverb 1. Work like a dog, meaning you work very hard. Example, you worked all night for an exam. Good job. I hope you will succeed. Proverb 2. The dark days of summer, meaning the hottest day of summer. Example, it's so hot that you need a very good ice cream. Proverb 3. Hair of a dog, meaning to drink alcohol to cure a hangover. It's an expression that we use only for adults. Proverb 4. 3-dog night, meaning a very cold and freezing night. Advice, you need many blankets when you go to bed in order to warm you up. Conclusion, wow, you've learned so many dog proverbs today. Which one do you prefer? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Bye! See you next time on Mega Easy English for new videos.